Don't miss Deadly 60 footage and content on BBC iPlayer. But first up, these are my top 7 fastest animals of all time. In at 7, this is my first contender, the Coachwhip snake. I think it's the fastest snake in the world. People say the black mamba is quicker, but seriously, try and catch one of these, you never can. They are super, super rapid. 6. There's lots of contenders for the fastest striking snake, but I reckon I'm going to go for the puff adder from Africa. So they have an extraordinarily fast strike. They'll come back into position so they can lunge forward to grab a hold of prey. But we filmed it in super slow-mo, and it is a sight to behold. Oh, wow! That was glorious. 5. Next up, fastest creature ever known to have lived, ever on the planet, ever, the peregrine falcon. In stoop, they can get as much as 200 miles an hour, making them easily the fastest creature ever known to have lived. This is Rudy, and today, Rudy's going to be hunting some truly turbocharged prey, me. Rudy is on my tail. I can sense him closing in. That was amazing! Would you believe it? A peregrine falcon is even faster than a middle-aged man on a mountain bike. 4. Fastest thing we've filmed on our new series of Deadly 60 coming to your screens very soon is the striped marlin. It is an incredibly high-octane fish, and seeing them feeding on bait balls in Mag Bay in Mexico was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. 3. One of the fastest strikes I've seen underwater would have to be from the lionfish. We filmed them off Sipadan Island in Borneo at night. Little fish were coming into our lights as we were lying on the bottom, and the lionfish were using them to their advantage to snatch them from right in front of our faces. Oh, unbelievable! At 2. Next up on my list of swimming speedsters would have to be the short-fin mako shark. The mood in the water instantly changes. The fastest swimming species of shark, getting up to extraordinary speeds, and having them scorching past us in the seas off San Diego in America was one of my greatest ever shark encounters. And number 1. You can't talk about speed without talking about the cheetah, the world's fastest land mammal. Me and this fella here are about to go head-to-head in a foot race. Well, I'm ready. What about the cheetah? Animal Olympian versus modern man.
3, 2, 1.
Depends who you listen to. Could be 60 mile an hour, could be 70 mile an hour, but when they accelerate, they go faster than a sports car. He's gone. He is completely gone. He's disappeared off into the bush. 3 strides and a cheetah can hit 40 miles an hour. Whereas me, I'm more like 40 strides to hit 3 miles an hour. So that's my list of top speedsters from around the world. Check out all Deadly footage and content on BBC iPlayer.